Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will get to know the story of a 16-year-old girl Suhani Chauhan from New Delhi, who created an exceptional vehicle to help farmers. Let's get started. 16-year-old Suhani Chauhan, a student of Amity International School, has been recognized for her exceptional innovation with the prestigious Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2024 award. Suhani received the award from the Honorable President of India Draupadi Murmu in recognition of her revolutionary innovation. Suhani's creation, the solar-operated agro-vehicle with portable tools, SOAPT, is a revolutionary solar-powered vehicle designed specifically to address the challenges faced by small-scale farmers in India. This eco-friendly machine empowers farmers by providing them with a multifunctional tool that can be used to operate fodder cutting machines, centrifugal pumps, fans, and lights. The SOAPT even boasts the ability to charge mobile phones, ensuring farmers can stay connected. The SOAPT promises to not only ease the physical burden of farm work but also decrease dependence on expensive fuel, diesel. Suhani estimates that widespread adoption of the SOAPT technology could lead to significant annual savings in diesel costs and substantial decrease in carbon emissions. This eco-friendly vehicle could potentially save 1,800 crores rupees in diesel costs and reduce 272,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually. Suhani's passion for innovation has been evident throughout her academic journey. This curiosity, coupled with a deep empathy for the challenges faced by others, fueled her to create the SOAPT. The SOAPT vehicle was recognized among the top innovative projects across India at the National Technology Week, Science 20 Summit under the aegis of G20 and the Young Scientists of India. Determined to find a solution, Suhani embarked on a period of in-depth research, consulting with agricultural experts and mechanics to develop a practical and sustainable design for the SOAPT. Suhani's accomplishment is an inspiration for young minds across India. Her dedication to innovation, her commitment to improving the lives of farmers, and her unwavering pursuit of a greener future is a testament to the potential of the next generation to solve real-world problems. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned Suhani Chauhan, a 16-year-old student, received the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2024 award for her innovative solar-operated agro-vehicle with portable tools, SOAPT. The SOAPT is a solar-powered vehicle designed to assist small-scale farmers in India, offering functions like operating machinery, charging phones, and reducing diesel costs and emissions. Suhani's dedication to innovation and sustainability has earned her recognition nationally, inspiring young minds across India. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.